Is your HyperX Cloud 2 wireless headset turning off unexpectedly? There are several common reasons why this happens, and understanding the cause is the first step to fixing it. The HyperX Cloud 2 wireless is a popular gaming headset, but users frequently report unexpected shutdowns during use. Let's examine the four main causes of unexpected shutdowns. The most common cause is the auto sleep function. This feature is designed to conserve battery life by automatically shutting off the headset after a period of inactivity. When no audio plays through the headset for typically 10 to 30 minutes, the auto sleep function activates and shuts down the device to save battery power. Another major cause is firmware issues. Outdated or corrupted firmware can cause various problems, including unexpected shutdowns. Firmware problems can manifest as outdated versions, corrupted files, or compatibility issues that lead to system instability and unexpected power-offs. Other less common but important causes include battery issues, where the charge indicator may be inaccurate, wireless interference from other devices, and in rare cases, hardware failures. Now that we understand the main causes, the next step is learning how to fix these issues, starting with the auto sleep function and firmware updates. Now we'll fix the auto sleep issue and update your headset's firmware to resolve the shutdown problems. First, open the HyperX NGENUITY software to check your auto-off settings. This software controls all your headset's power management features. If adjusting the auto-off settings doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to update your headset's firmware through the same NGENUITY software. Connect your headset via USB cable, then open NGENUITY software. The software will automatically check for firmware updates and guide you through the process. If the automatic update fails, you can manually update the firmware by downloading the update utility from the official HyperX website. For manual updates, connect the USB sound card directly to a motherboard USB port, not a hub. Run the update utility as administrator and maintain a stable connection throughout the process. If issues persist after firmware updates, check your battery status, ensure proper USB dongle placement, and look for wireless interference from other devices.